Item 4.7, first meeting of the council.
Again, Mr Chairman, previously Tuesdays was the date set for your council meetings, and at this stage we've recommended that the first council meeting is on the 8th of November at 1 o'clock. However, if you wanted to look at changing that, you can.
Okay, is everyone happy with that date? I think there is a suggestion we might move the Tuesdays to possibly Thursdays at some stage, but we'll talk to that at some stage.
Mr Chairman, we had this debate before about what's on our agenda paper. Is it the last Tuesday or the fourth Tuesday? There's been a bit over the... So what are we going to say it is now the last Tuesday?
So what you'll do at your next meeting is set up your schedule of meetings for the rest of this year, and then you'll do the same at the start of next year for the following year so that you know for the whole year. Generally it's the last Tuesday of the month rather than the fourth. But that's, again, that is up to you. You may decide to change that and make it another day, Wednesday nights.
Thank you.
And Mr Chairman, you'll still have another meeting in November as well. This is basically an additional meeting to set up your committee structure.
Okay, thank you, Mr Jakes. All right, recommendation there that we meet next is it next Tuesday? Tuesday after. For the first meeting of the council. Could I have a move, please? Moved by Councillor Cousins, seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Those against? Carried. Okay, thank you very much. That brings the end to proceedings today.